Welcome again on top of Wazobia TV for channel 195 for start time. And I tell you, Queen B na they bring this one, that one na me. How you they like your Nigerian food? How you they like them traditionally, or you they want me then spice them up? That's why today on top of Chop Chop, we get two contestants we go cook the same food, and we get judges we go judge the matter as it's supposed to be. Person we win am, na him go carry am, and the person we no win am, we go punch am. That one no me say you sef no go fit cook. If you want join us, or you carry your load, join us on top of Start Time channel 195 for Wazobia TV, where it for happen, because this one na Chop Chop. We don't enter inside the Chop Chop kitchen today. We get two contestants who won't cook for us. They won't cook ogbono soup and eba. I know say you sef like to chop later for house, but today wetin we carry come, we carry them so that we go know the different ways where would they take cook am. And we get two ogbonge judges. They don't sit down gidigba. This one's now housewives, now mothers, and now people where they make food, they enter your mouth for any kind of wedding. But for Chop Chop today, we could meet our contestants first before we go meet our judges. They say when you get visitor, you must don't prepare your mind on what you want to give them. But before then, we hear our contestant. How you do, my sister?
I do fine.
What be your name?
My name is Bolanle.
Bolanle. Where you come from?
I come from Ogun State.
Ogun State. You won't cook ogbono soup for us today? Yeah. You think say you get what in the judges they look for?
I think so.
You think so? All right, stay there. They think I make I ask the other guy. How you do, my brotherly?
I do fine.
What's in your name?
My name is Joseph.
Joseph.
Yes.
All right, for Chop Chop today, we don't get Joseph. We won't cook. And you know, say na Christmas season with day. Joseph, now the father of. You go find out. All right, Mr. Joseph, because I know say this one at your office right now. You won't cook ogbono soup for us. Where you come from?
I'm from Ekiti.
Ekiti State. Ah, Yoruba people don't know about ogbono soup, because I know about the Edo and I know about the Igbos. What about you? You be Hausa? You be Togo? You be Ghana? Follow us, because I know say these people, they're ready to do ogbonge thing inside our kitchen today. Make you not think. All right, make I know what thing you want. You stay cook the ogbono soup.
I get the ogbono.
Okay.
The ete.
Okay, ede meaning crayfish.
Meaning craft, ground one.
Grounded crayfish.
Grounded crayfish.
Okay.
And I get pomo.
Pomo. This one be like the Ijebu pomo. You come from Ekiti.
Yes.
This one is Ijebu pomo. Okay, and waiting again.
I get F4.
F4 or
Yes,
bitter leaf.
or bitter leaf.
Okay. Get salt.
Salt. Maggi. The one
Okay.
make them sweet.
Okay, now Maggi
And
go make
make
them
am
sweet
sweet and
well. Then I see say you get stockfish.
I get stockfish.
And the black pepper and the palm oil, then the curry. And you think say all these things where you carry, what do you think say make them different from the ogbono way other people they cook?
Make them different. Go make them different from everyone's own.
Okay, you know say them chefs them they know they too talk. I don't notice them on top of this show. Most of the chefs where we get they know they too talk. Waiting they know be say their fingers they speak for them. We could meet Bolanle. May she tell us how she want to take her journey waka. Bolanle, I see say you don't get crayfish, you get pomo. Explain to us what you want to use today.
I want to use everything where they here.
Okay.
I get Maggi for here, salt they here,
Okay.
ogbono they here,
All right.
bitter leaf already washed they here,
Okay.
pomo they here,
All right.
grounded crayfish today.
Okay.
I get my dry black pepper here,
All right.
and I get my stockfish.
Okay. You feel say these things where you want to use, because now the question where I ask your colleague be that say all these things go make your own ogbono soup. They're different from the other.
You go
All right.
make them this one.
It go make them dey different.
Very
And you go feel cook am to impress the judges, because the judges what we get. This one's now women wey sabi cook for house, and they cook for weddings and events. You feel impress them.
Yes. Sir.
All right, make we know whether your market go sell. But before then, make we meet our judges. We get Ijoma in the building. How you there, Sister Lee?
Very well, thank
You did all right.
you. Yes, sir.
And we get our other sister, Ebinyo. Where you come from again?
I'm from Delta State.
Delta
Shakiri
State.
by tribe.
Wow. Now I get ogbono. I trust you. So what do you dey expect from wetin we don't already talk about so far?
I dey expect make I eat, make my mouth. Now my mouth self speed don plenty.
Okay,
So I
because
dey
you don
expect
ready.
Make they make me as I dey chop.
Make
I
you
even
dey
carry
remember
one of
everything.
them go house.
All right.
Make dem come
What
press
you
my
dey
chef.
do?
Me, I be MC and the female comedian of the Federal Republic.
Wow, we get female comedian in the building. And we get, what do you dey do?
I
Okay, you dey plan events, people wedding and all that. So how the business dey go? All right. You feel say one of our contestants fit impress you today, so say you go carry am enter your own thing.
Well, I hope they will get another mentor so dem fit do the ogbono soup.
Okay, we go dey different from the one wey you know. All right, my people, una don hear and they don talk am as e be. We go allow our contestants make dem enter kitchen, make dem cut wetin dem wan cut, make dem mix everything together because the end of am na ogbono soup and eba. Now we wan chop. Make you stay with us, no go far because here na it for dey happen on top of Chop Chop. Make you no miss am on top channel 195 for start time for Wazobia TV. We dey come back.